That way. You want to look at the lake?
Oh, sure. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Hi, it's me.
Hi.
We are out at Dalton Ranch, my favorite place in the whole wide world, with one of my favorite people, Dusty, and also the favorite person, Sarah and Omar. I do YouTube posts and stuff.
Oh,
and I'll make a video.
I was watching American Idol, as Sarah knows, because she called. I just about hung up on her because.
Well, oh, big hole. Yeah. Thank you.
And that little girl, the Jessica, the little Filipino girl with the big voice, she goes, "Oh, I have." They asked her, "Have you ever seen yourself before?" Because they were filming them all, and she goes, "Oh, I have over 200 posts on YouTube."
Oh, jeez.
I'm going, well, no wonder you're such a little ham. No, I mean, she really has a good voice, but it was just funny when she said that.
All right.
As long as she doesn't overdo it.
Yeah.
My new neighbors have a new puppy. And they're like, oh, they should play. I'm like, no, she's old, she's cranky, and she doesn't do puppies.
She doesn't do puppies.
She sits there and barks at her because the dog wants to make her a chew toy. I said, you know what? Let her have the right not to have to be a chew toy.
Exactly. Carly feels very strongly that way.
Yes. Let her, well, when Hetty was young, Hetty would grab her legs, grab her ears, grab her neck, you know, and just hang on her. And Flutter would just stand there and not say anything. And I finally said, Flutter, you need to find your voice. Well, she's found her voice now. Now the puppy gets within about a foot of her and she goes, woof, woof, woof.
Well, right before Jack got sick.
Right up here.
Now, is it marshy? It's a little bit
Gooey, boggy.
Maybe when you get over there to the outlet,
Sorry, Omi. He just fully cut you off.
All right. Aunt Kathy of the cookie woman.
That's
It's
too
like,
funny. Look at this cool little lake. There was a white crane here. Where'd he go?
oh, they fly.
Oh, flew away. Getting.
Usually some mallards nesting around here somewhere.
Oh, really?
Char has so many ducks in her pastures right now. It's so funny. And of course, Char can't be without chickens, so now she's got 7 chickens.
Oh, think about her thinking
Nanny's looking at those moo cows. You want to get those moo cows? Hi, guys. Nanny's like, I'll go get you. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous here. We almost stepped on a snake, which wasn't absolutely gorgeous. I'm recording.
I deleted some that afterwards I went, oh, probably shouldn't have done it.
We're up on a hill, taking a breather.
Oh, yeah. Well, he is kind of out of shape. I don't do anything with him.
Well, Chuck hasn't done anything either.
But he doesn't have any hair.
Well, it's true. He's always bald.
Here's Omar. Hurry! Nanny, get your head up.
Omar's going to snap while we're waiting.
Look at the property behind you. See the house, the trees, and everything.
The pens for that lady, right?
The white?
Yeah.
So there in the foreground there is, I'll try and zoom in, the Just Bell line.
And that part over there is on Clay's property, and that's one of the big shafts.
Okay, and I'm going to turn over here. There's a bunch of cows down there by that big tree.
Would you like a nibble?
Let's see.
And that shaft went, Clay had it blocked off. Someone would get through.
There's the big shaft.
And the little house.
Really, Chuck?
It doesn't really show too well, but there's a little bunker dug in up above all the wrecks.
Really?
They stored the dynamite for the blasting. It's a dynamite bunker.
A dynamite bunker.
Did Clay's grandpa and stuff mine here, or was it there and then they bought it?
It was operating when Clay was young.
Really? And
But-
it's iron?
But what they do is a mining company takes a lease,
Oh,
and they come and run the mine, and they pay rent or profit, or I don't know what the deal was.
Uh-huh.
And it's iron mine?
No, it's copper mostly, with
Yeah.
silver and gold.
Wow.
You could have a fortune sitting there.
Well, actually, 15 years ago, when copper prices started going up, some people from Canada came and they tested all around here, and they paid Clay like a lease just to be able to
Test?
test and to maybe make a big deal, later. But they didn't find enough copper to make it profitable.
Well,
Wow.
now it's even higher.
See, those are Michelle's mama cows and babies.
Michelle.
Michelle,
Oh.
Phew. Whew, allergies. There's the Jess Bell mine right there. We're riding by it.